For exercise 7.2, we're going to use practice data set number 1 from Appendix B and look at math scores of 3 different groups by marital status. This will be a one-way ANOVA, analyze, compare means, one-way ANOVA. For the dialog box here, we are looking at skill and marital status as the factor. It's a good idea to do post hoc tests and select Tukey's HSD. And when we look at our output, we get this. So our source table gives us a significance level of 0.823. So this is not a significant difference. In other words, none of those groups are significantly different from each other. Our eta squared is 0.019, which would be a moderate effect size.